First, let me introduce our companies to you again. And our company name is Zhongshanchong Electrical Limited, established in 2006. And the next, I would like to show you our model also have the memory function, and you also can adjust the power by menu. Yeah, I would like to show you. Yes, you need to power off and then use two fingers to touch the up and down key at the same time. Yeah. And here we'll show the 55 and the 45 and the 35. That means the 3.5 and the 4.5 and the 5.5 kilowatts. You can set the max power by menu, yeah, and then power on. So it is very convenient for the end user. Okay, and next I would like to show you our package, yeah. As you can see, this is our package. Yeah, this is our normal package. As long as your order quantities is over 500 pieces, then we can customize the color box for you. But if your order quantities is lower than 500 pieces, we also can customize for you, but we need to charge the extra cost. Yeah. So if you have any questions about our water heaters, you can send the inquiry to me by touch the catalogs, or you can touch our company name to follow us. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can leave on below and then I will reply you one by one. Okay, now I would like to show you some our package. You can see this is our color box. The inside and this color box without the sound accessory, only packed with the water heater inside. Yeah.